Good day, class. Today we're diving into the world of Blender with a lesson on the top used free add-ons that can take your 3D creations to the next level. These tools are not just popular, they're essential for making your workflow faster, smarter, and more creative. Let's get started. First up, we have OSM, or OpenStreetMap. This free add-on is a favorite for creating realistic terrains and street layouts. Whether you're mapping out real-world cities or designing generic environments, OSM gives you the power to import GIS data directly into Blender. You can even generate buildings, streets, and terrains with real maps as textures. Perfect for urban planning, game development, or realistic animations. Next on our list is KitOps 2. The free version of this powerful tool is perfect for kit bashing, using pre-made or custom assets to quickly build complex models. From sci-fi designs to architecture, KitOps helps you organize materials and assets with ease, making it a go-to choice for rapid prototyping. It's like having a shortcut to creativity. And finally, let's talk about Wiggle. This add-on lets you apply random motion, rotation, and scaling to your objects, creating a fun, dynamic effect in your animations. It's especially handy for adding a bit of chaos and life to your models, much like the iconic Wiggle feature in Cinema 4D. Whether you're animating a playful scene or experimenting with abstract art, Wiggle has got your back. So, class, there you have it, 3 of the top free Blender add-ons. OSM for real-world terrains and layouts, KitOps 2 for kit-bashing brilliance, and Wiggle for adding dynamic motion. Which one are you most excited to try? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And remember, learning never stops, so don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring that bell for more Blender tips and tricks. Class dismissed. See you in the next lesson.
Challenge accepted.